as you can see, this is the structure of nephron, right? And this red colored tube always resembles the renal artery, where the blue colored tube represents the renal vein. So as we discussed earlier, always the nephron starting structure begins with the renal artery. So this is the efferent arteriole, which is broader in its structure and forming some capillaries. As you can see here, konni capillaries form avutayi annam. Yes, these are the network of capillaries. They are glomerulus. In a cup-shaped structure, can you see it's like a cup in a form? Yes, guess it. This is Bowman's capsule. Hence, Bowman's capsule carries these glomerulus and exits out. Exit అయినప్పుడు మనం చెప్పుకున్నాం that it exits out in a narrow structure, that is efferent arteriole. Now further, this Bowman capsule continues to form the other structure called as renal tubule, consisting of three basic parts. The first one, the broader part, we say it as PCT, proximal convoluted tubule, where the thinner part, or you can say the narrower part, is said to be as loop of Henle. And further, this loop of Henle forms again broader structure called as DCT. As you can see here, this is the DCT. And this DCT further becomes a long duct, a long tubule-like structure. It continues to it, that is collecting duct. This is the collecting duct. Now, we have also discussed that malphizian body consists of two parts, that is glomerulus and Bowman's capsule, where the next structure, renal tubule, starts from PCT, loop of Henle, the U-shaped structure, and then it forms the DCT, further continuing to collecting duct and ureter. Here, the important point we have to notice is that, can you see some network of capillaries that are, covering the renal tubule? Exactly. These are nothing but the arteriole, the efferent arteriole. Further, it twins around the renal tubule and forms some more network of capillaries over the renal tubule, and hence they combines to form the renal vein. As you can see, yes, this is the renal vein or venule. Okay, so this renal vein is nothing but formed by the network of capillaries that were extended from the efferent arteriole through efferent arteriole. So efferent arteriole networks, then efferent arteriole emautundi? They are forming a lot of capillaries. So these capillaries are covering the renal tubule and they are further being continued to a renal vein. So this we say combination of all these efferent arteriole networks combines to form renal vein, and hence this is the structure of nephron. This is the collecting duct. This is the ureter. Right? So let's see the numberings one by one. Then the first one, we have the collecting duct. Yes. And then we come up with the renal artery, as we have discussed the renal artery. Then we talk about distal convoluted tubule. Yes, the third part of the renal tubule. Then we talk about the loop of Henle, the narrower part. Then we talk about the renal vein, as we discussed. All the efferent arteriole anta capillaries ga form ayi, network form ayi, renal vein kinda release avutundi. So this is renal vein. And then glomerulus, yes, network of capillaries, renal capsule or Bowman's capsule anna same, they are same. Understand? And the eighth one, PCT, proximal convoluted tubule, right? So these are the different structures of the nephron. So hope kids you have enjoyed the session.